ahead with question number 3. Okay, so question 3 here is, if a sequence of one strand of DNA is written as follow. Okay, so we have got the sequence from 5 prime to 3 prime. Okay, note that students, we have a sequence from what? 5 prime to 3 prime. Now, what are we supposed to do? Write down the sequence of a complementary strand in 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Okay, so the trick over here is, when the sequence is from 5 prime to 3 prime, therefore the complementary strand would be from 3 prime to 5 prime. So whatever sequence we get over here, we are just supposed to mirror or invert it. Okay, so let's start writing. So first copy down the sequence itself. That is, okay, let's wait. Okay, let's start. We have got A, T, G, C. A, T, G, C. A, T, G, C. Okay. A, T, G, C. Now again A, T, G, C. Again A, T, G, C. And lastly A, T, G and C. Okay. So students, this sequence is from 5 prime to 3 prime. Now, let's start writing complementary. So wherever there is an A, T, G and C. So for A it will become T, complement to A is T, complementary to T is A, complementary to G is C and C is G. So our repeating unit over here will be A, T, A, C, G. T, A, C, G. T, A, C, G. T, A, C, G. T, A, T, A, C, G. T, A, C, G. T, A, C and G. So we got our complementary strand from 3 prime to 5 prime direction. Now we want a strand from 5 prime to 3 prime. So from 5 prime to 3 prime. So start writing from backwards. So we'll write from G, C, A, T. Okay, and this will start multiplying. G, C, A, T, G, C, A, T, G, C, A, T, G, C, A, T, G, C, G, C, A, T, G, C, A, T. So students, G, C, A, T wala strand is our 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to solve it. Wherever there is an A, write T, where T, write A, G, write C and C, write G. Okay, now let's check. So first we'll write 5 prime to 3 prime, the given one. Then we'll write a normal string, that is our complementary strand. T-A-G-C, T-A-G-C. T-A-C-G, sorry. And lastly, we are supposed to start writing from G-C-A-T. G-C-A-T. Okay, students, this is how you're supposed to write a complementary strand. Just remember that when you are writing a complementary strand, read the question very carefully, that in which direction do you want the answer. Okay, students?